Welcome back to another episode for learning about 신조어, which are recently made Korean words. Today's word is 가심비. 가심비 originally is an alternate version of an older Korean word, 가성비. The word 가성비 comes from 가격 대비 성능의 비율, meaning the ratio of price compared to the performance. And 가성비 is used for talking about items that are a great value despite being cheap. 가심비 comes from 가격, price, and 비율, ratio, just like before, but the 심 actually comes from 한자, or Chinese characters, and means heart. Specifically, 심 is used to refer to your heart or mind feeling satisfied. So the word 가심비 is used to say that something gives you a lot of satisfaction relative to the price. For example, you might go to a fancy restaurant and see something on the menu that you really want to try, but it's expensive. Although it's expensive, you still really want it because you know that the amount of satisfaction it would give you is much greater than the price. This word first became popular at the start of 2018, and while it's not as well known as the word 가성비, it's slowly gaining traction. So here are two examples of how you can use it. 저는 친구 생일에 가심비 좋은 책을 선물했어요. On my friend's birthday, I gave them a book that I know they'll get a lot out of. 이 음식점은 진짜 가심비 최고야. This food is really good for the soul. So, are there any other new words you'd like me to explain? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember that I upload new videos here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!